If you're seeing this video, congratulations! You're one of the elite few selected to be affiliated with Gig Worker Solutions, proudly serving the gig economy with numerous resources, including leading the industry with our self-employed tax credit program. By becoming an affiliate, you now have access to a wide range of content and tools aimed at helping you create more referrals and boost your presence in the self-employed community. How do you access these tools, you ask? Let's show you how to get connected to your broker portal and give you some pro tips for making the most of your partnership with Gig Worker Solutions. First, you'll need to create a free account with us by visiting app.gigworkersolutions.com using the same email associated with your affiliate profile. And if you're watching this from our welcome email, it's the same email address as the one you received this video to. Once you've made your account, click the profile picture icon in the upper right-hand side of the application portal home screen and select Profile from the dropdown. From here, select the tab under your name that says Broker Information and click the button that says Connect to your broker profile. If you're feeling up to it, be sure to personalize your profile picture, as the best part of being in the gig economy is the uniqueness we all bring to the community. With this complete, you should now see an additional option in the navigation panel on the left side of your screen titled Broker Dashboard. The Broker Dashboard is your central hub containing the referrals you've made, status of their SETC claims, resources for marketing and explaining the program to your network, as well as all the important information you need to make a referral in the first place. Let's take a moment to go through these resources together. At the top of the Broker Center, there's a blue highlighted text that says, "Click to see your unique referral information." The pop-up window that appears from using this link will contain unique referral links and associated QR codes for you to use to refer applicants to the SETC program. Anyone who navigates to our website using a link that contains your unique code, creates an account, and applies for the SETC program will be tracked under your broker profile. Each of the listed links will take the recipient of said link to a different place on our website. The marketing site link takes recipients to the landing page you find at gigworkersolutions.com. The SETC landing page link takes them to the page with information specifically pertaining to the SETC program. And the app registration link takes the recipient directly to the account creation page. Outside of these three links, you can refer recipients to any page you want prior to login, so long as the unique code remains the exact same in the link. Your unique code can be found and quickly verified in a link after the text source equals. You'll notice that the first two characters of your unique code are the initials to the name you provided for your broker profile, followed by a dash and a unique string of characters. When sending these links or using them in distributed marketing materials, it's imperative that you verify the link you provide contains your unique code exactly as it's seen here. When copying and pasting codes to places like Outlook and social media, it's always best to double check that the software you're using didn't automatically add extra inputs to your link, as doing so is a common tracking feature of those services and platforms. If a referral uses a link that does not contain your exact referral code with no extra characters within or after it, the referral will not be tracked under your broker account and may be impossible for your channel partners to link to your efforts later on. Looking to test a link for your unique code? Open a private browsing window and navigate to the link that you want to test. From here, go to the account login screen and click the Gig Worker Solutions logo 5 times. The code that is contained within the link will be displayed at the top left side of your screen for you to verify its accuracy. QR codes are simply visual representations of a unique link that, if scanned by a smartphone camera, will provide said unique link to the scanner. Each of the 3 QR codes provided to you here directly correspond to the links that we just covered. Back in the Broker Center, you'll notice there are several tabs for you to choose from, with the default being the Dashboard. The dashboard contains visual representations of the referrals you've made over time and by referral status. This is a great place to check in and get an overview of your referral efforts, as well as identifying any trends that could help you with referral efforts in the future. The Referrals tab contains specific information for each of the referrals you've made, which is also available to you for export as a CSV file. This page is perfect for when one of your referrals seems to be stuck in a particular stage of the program, and you'd like to reach out to them to offer your personalized assistance and expertise. The tab that's titled Resources contains flyers and videos for your marketing efforts, as well as information to enhance your understanding of the program. Consider adding one of your unique QR codes to a flyer that's found here to take your outreach efforts to a whole new level. If you're an individual or organization authorized to have sub-agents, there will also be a tab here called Agents, which will show the information for agents on your team. If this tab is available to you, it's important to note that the referrals made by your agents will also be reflected in the dashboard and referrals tabs outlined before. Finally, the tab labeled Notifications allows you to opt in to be notified each time a new qualified SETC referral is generated using your unique code, which is essential to staying on top of the many referrals you plan to make. If you have any questions about your referrals that can't be answered by the information contained in the broker dashboard, you'll need to reach out to your channel partner or parent broker. What's a channel partner, you ask? Channel partners are large organizations with whom Gig Worker Solutions has determined carry enough internal resources to support the efforts of the many affiliates such as yourself. A parent broker may simply be the individual who introduced you to your channel partner, or a designated contact within the organization of the channel partner. Because the efforts of Gig Worker Solutions are primarily focused on serving your referrals and gig workers directly, your questions need to be directed to your channel partner or parent broker so that we can continue to prioritize the needs of those that you've referred, as well as the dedicated resources we have in place to support you through your channel partners. Additionally, your commission agreements with your channel partner are unique to you and are not disclosed to Gig Worker Solutions. So any questions regarding your referral commissions need to be directed to your channel partners as well. For questions about your own SETC claim, you can use the support center or support lines the same as your referrals would. Now that you're a pro with all the resources you have at your disposal, let's cover the basics of the SETC program and the various stages your referrals will have to navigate through until they ultimately receive their credit. When a referral makes their account and first clicks on the Self-Employed Tax Credit tab, they'll begin filling in questions into our calculator tool, which helps determine their eligibility. Once they're deemed eligible, their information will populate in your broker dashboard, and they'll be given an estimate of what their credit might be. It's important to note that this first credit amount they get is just an estimate, and that Anchor Accounting will be reviewing their inputs later on for accuracy and compliance to IRS standards once they've completed the application in its entirety and uploaded their necessary tax documents. You are highly encouraged to experiment with the calculator and watch the What to Expect video found in both the SETC homepage and the Broker Center resource page to familiarize yourself with the process your referrals will go through. Within the application itself, referrals are shown a thorough walkthrough video of the application outlining each step along the way. Encouraging referrals to watch this content will ensure that they have an adequate understanding of the program and help them avoid getting stuck somewhere in the process. At the end of the application, referrals are asked to upload complete and unaltered copies of the appropriate year tax returns. When we ask for complete and unaltered copies, we mean that the returns can't contain watermarks, redacted information, or be partial copies or tax return transcripts. Although other programs may not have such precise document and application requirements, those programs are likely non-compliant with the regulations and standards set forth by the IRS regarding this credit, and will likely result in their applicants' credits being disallowed and even owed back to the IRS with penalties. Referrals that have a difficult time obtaining their complete and unaltered returns should be directed to reach out to the business or service that originally prepared that year return for them, or to services such as www.findmytaxreturns.com. After successfully completing the application and uploading the appropriate returns, so begins the work of Anchor Accounting, the steps of which can be found within your Broker Center resource section in a file named SETC-Referral Stages. Here, you'll find every stage that your referrals can be found in throughout the entirety of the program, and the details of what each stage encompasses. Although Anchor may reach out to certain referrals for unique requirements at any stage, the next stage where Anchor will certainly need items from your referrals is the stage titled Sign and Submit to IRS. This stage involves the wet signing of specific pages of their amended returns in blue or black ink in accordance with IRS standards. Then the referrals send those pages to the SETC processing facility at our headquarters in Midlothian, Virginia, using a prepaid shipping label that we provide. Once received, the Sign and Submit team verifies the signed pages, obtains preparer signatures, and adds them to the completed amended return to be tracked and shipped to the appropriate IRS facility. At this point, the referral is either waiting for the IRS to process their return or waiting to receive the advance with our external partners at Carter Federal Credit Union. If a referral is applying for the advance, a copy of the referral's IRS account transcripts is required to ensure that they don't owe anything to the IRS. Although part of the initial application involved them applying to have those account transcripts sent to us, the IRS may delay in processing those transcript requests. Instructions are provided for referrals to manually acquire their IRS account transcripts and upload them directly into their account so they can skip the wait with the IRS. These instructions can also be found in the Broker Center Resources tab as a video titled Finding and Uploading Transcripts. This video and instructions are also available to clients that elect advanced funding within their SETC dashboard, which appears on their portal home screen once they've submitted their application. With the tools of the Broker Center at your disposal and the intricate knowledge you now have of the SETC program, you're ready to start making referrals and expand your self-employed network. Remember, if you've got any questions, reference your Broker Center or reach out to your channel partner for assistance. We look forward to serving the referrals you make and the ever-growing self-employed community.